नित्यानन्देश्वर सदाशिव समारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि आदिशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्परा. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Srimahans, Mahans, Tanedar Kotari, visitors, viewers, sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha. City is sitting with us. Long list, but I especially want to mention Adi Nityananda Peedam, Thiruvannamalai. I welcome all of you with my love and respect. Let's enter into today's satsang. Let me expand on importance of Vedic inner software. Listen. The first thing I want to tell you, the mental setup materialism is trying to promote is already proved as a failure by the large number of human beings collapsing into depression and withdrawal from life. Understand? More than 66% of the so-called civilization, evolved, developed countries cannot move their day without a pill, psychiatric drug, and universities and colleges are loaded with legal drugs. Of course, illegal drugs too. Almost every human emotion is classified as some disorder. What is going on? The mental setup materialism, as promoted, as proven already itself, not only a failure, dangerous. And this one God theory marketing technology again proved not only to be dangerous, terroristic, terrifying. Some of these one God religions have killed more number of people, 10 times more than any disease on the planet Earth. Listen. Only traditions which accepts oneness is God, not one God. I have evolved a common point very recently for all these traditions. I want to call them Omkara Parivara, because all these traditions accept Om. Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism, Hinduism, and all the sampradayas of Hinduism. All these traditions accept oneness is God, not one. Buddhism is very clear, anybody can become Buddha, and there are millions who have become Buddha. Means what? Oneness is God, not one. Oneness is God, not one. Now, after the internet revolution, world has reached certain maturity where one man cannot misguide the whole nation and make the whole nation feel somebody is enemy, somebody is wrong, we need to destroy that fellow, we need to finish them off. Those periods are over. Every rebellious thought current, every revolution among the rebellious thought current, or every rebellious thought current about the rebellious thought currents, orthodoxy, traditional, hereditary, rebellious, revolutionary, rebelling against the rebelliousness, revolution against the rebellions, these are the various thought currents. All the thought currents are now up, alive, available to the whole world. One of the most beautiful things happening on the planet Earth, people are not interested in dying for any ideology or any thought current without tasting it first. Nobody is ready. I tell you, all the religions, thought currents, which is trying to keep their flock together by not letting other thought currents touch them, without exposing them to other thought currents, are all collapsing like a castle built on the air. They are all collapsing simply like a castle built by the playing cards. I tell you, how much ever those vested interests trying to hold them up, they cannot, because time is over. Their expiry date has come. The thought currents which kills, which is no more productive or useful to society, cannot be alive anymore. They will all get outdated. The expiry date has come for them, because now all the thought currents are available to the whole world freely. Click away. Click away. Listen carefully. The moment this internet was available, social media was available, I wanted to push everything I have to the world through the social media. Every technique I have developed, every knowledge I have, every power I manifested, every system, I wanted it to become public. Recently I have allotted 2 Adinavasis specifically for this purpose. I have this great news for the whole world. Very soon, all the thousands of my early discourses, satsangs, ASPs, NSPs, classes will be available to all of you freely. All that will be available to all of you freely in the YouTube. I have allotted a team already to start working and push everything to the world. Understand? Anything which can sustain the scrutiny, anything which can sustain the scrutiny of the human being's evolved, informed logic only as a future. Nothing else as a future. Try. Advaitic thought current spreading. Vedic truths are being practiced. Ten times more number of people go once a week to any yoga studio than any church in US. Understand, the report says 10 times more. Even I was shocked. When I read, I thought maybe it's a fake news. But when I saw their website, blog and everything, they are very authentic and doing a lot of research work, and they have a lot of statistics and information. Only then I thought, oh God. Or I should say, oh Godal. So America has 10 times more practicing Shaivites. Understand, if you bend your body for yoga, you are a Shaivite. Because yoga is from Sadashiva. You can call it holy yoga, holy crap yoga, no problem. But as long as you use the word yoga, it is from Sadashiva. I am making it very clear. As a representative of Hinduism, I am making it very clear. If you bend your body for yoga, you are a practicing Shaivite Hindu. Anybody who is afraid of losing your folks, cry as much as you can and stop your folks practicing yoga. Because the moment they practice yoga, they are my disciples, my followers. They are Shaivite Hindus. The moment they practice yoga, they are Shaivite Hindus. And anybody practices yoga, just email me, I'll send you free Rudraksha and Vibhuti. This is the next service I am starting. Free Rudraksha and Vibhuti and free Bhagavad Gita. And I am publishing a yoga book, a beautiful yoga book with the Shastra Pramana. 1008 Shastra Pramana, Apta Pramana from the original verses and English translation about yoga. The book is free for anybody who is practicing yoga. If you just send an email, Office of His Holiness, oohh@nityananda.org, we will send you soft copy immediately and hard copy in few days. because we need time for shipping, that's all. But the book is free. Anybody who says, I am practicing yoga and I want to know more about it, you are gifted Rudraksha Vibhuti and this book, original yoga book from the original Agamic scriptures. Source of yoga book. Source yoga book. It is from Agamas, directly the words of Sadashiva about the whole science of yoga. The book is free for you. And I am very clear. This International Yoga Day, the book will be published, offered to the whole world. And anybody who is running a yoga studio, if you send us the number of students you have and want us to gift, for all your students I will gift this book. Book is free. If you say you have 2000 students studying, just give us the attendance proof, 2000 copies will be mailed to you. You can gift it to all the students, then all this holy crap yoga, all that will disappear. People will know yoga is sacred. And all this beer yoga, nude yoga, really I can't understand. Naked yoga, this, that. No, you can do naked yoga, come to Himalayas and be Naga and do it. Then no problem. Not in your studios. Anyhow. This book which I am publishing, collections from all the Shastra Pramana and Apta Pramana and my own Atma Pramana. Mainly I am publishing this book to tell the world yoga has religion, that is Hinduism. See, these terrorist boot camps, they boldly ask people, give your kids, give your children for terrorism. Here I am teaching yoga and giving health to people. I want to tell the whole world, give your kids, children, sons and daughters, come yourself. Let's learn, practice and teach and share this life science to the world. Understand. Your mind is basically the inner software with which you operate. Neither materialistic thought current nor the one God theologies are successful inner software. They proved by implosion and explosion they are dangerous. Materialistic thought current is implosive. One God theologies are explosive. Both are dangerous. Both proved they are not useful for human beings anymore. Now we need to develop a right software for human beings with which they can have amazing body, amazing mind and amazing consciousness Live like Sadashiva on the planet Earth. Manifesting powers. I tell you, this is possible only by this Vedic software, Vedic inner software. 5 major points of that inner software is integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, completion. Understand? Your thought current, listen, basically whatever you want, you can manifest it. If you are not, then look in where you are missing in your integrity and authenticity and responsibility and enriching. Fix there, you will manifest it here. Constantly, the fixing technique is completion. Constantly think in that language. If you missed integrity, don't think, oh, nobody knows. No, you know. Respect yourself. Put a break. Complete with yourself. And declare to be integrated again and move. If you miss 100 times, 101 times declare. Declaration should be more powerful than you missing integrity. The day the declaration will become so powerful, missing integrity will become just redundant and irrelevant in your life. It will no more be part of your life. Developing this right thought currents. Developing this right thought currents. Developing this Vedic inner software. Understanding. The importance of this new thought current, I tell you, if you practice even little bit, you will see so much depression is removed from your system. So much understanding happens in your system. So much of load becomes redundant and irrelevant to your existence. In the initial level only, you may need to spend little time on completion. If you push the completion button, it will say wait. That sand clock will appear and wait, happening. 80, 82, 90. After a few days of practice, if you push the completion button, done. If you have a broadband, high-speed internet connection, the moment you push the completion button, completion done, next page. The broadband connection here is Shaktipada with the Guru. Completion done. Understand, Vedic thought current, thinking system is a life savior. It is all for life. I wanted all the Adinavasis to study all the 108 Upanishads, basic translation. I'll give you the commentary later, I'll decode it later in the satsangs. Already many Upanishads are translated, we have published. Isha, Kena, Kata is already translated. Isha Upanishad, I have already given even commentary. Kena and Kata I am speaking. All the translated Upanishads, all the translations available, start reading, start studying. Study the simple translation first. Then I'll decode and make you understand the deeper truths. Because only if you understand the Shastras, Upanishads, you will understand the real life. Only then you will understand religion is supposed to be for life. It is not for supporting any political system. Understand? Constantly thinking in the language of integrity, operating in the language of authenticity, relating in the language of responsibility, and sharing in the language of enriching, caring in the language of completion. Thinking in the language of integrity, internalizing everything in the language of integrity, acting in every level in the language of authenticity, relating in every relationship in the language of responsibility, sharing in the language of enriching, caring in the language of completion. Constantly aligning yourself to this thought current is what I call Vedic inner software. Even little bit practice resolves tons of conflicts. Resolves tons of conflicts. Even little bit of practice resolves tons of conflicts. Many of the Adinavasis are causing. How many of you are really comfortably able to cause? Raise your hands. Means you have aligned yourself to more and more integrity. How many of you are struggling? Raise your hands. The struggle you need to do is only here. Bring more integrity here. Bring more authenticity here. Bring more completion here. Bring more responsibility here. Bring more enriching here. When you call somebody, if they are not able to break their obstacles, you are responsible. Some part, unconscious part of you, you have not broken some of your obstacles. Look in. Bring completion there. Understand, it is all drishti srishti. seeing creates. You don't see the created, seeing creates. If you are seeing the created, there is no liberation. Because you create by seeing, only liberation is possible. If you are seeing the created, no liberation is possible. You are bound over. No. You are creating by seeing. Only then the change, transformation, liberation is possible. So essence of today's satsang, Vedic inner software. Svalpamapyasya dharmasya drayate mahadobhayat. Even if it is practiced very little, liberates you from great fears and dangers. Svalpamapyasya dharmasya. Even if you practice very little, trayate mahadobhayat. So with this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhadvaita Saivam, Sada Shivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.